Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you about interphase. The events occurred in interphase like G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase and G0 phase. Interphase. This is the phase occurred between two successive M phase or mitotic phase or dividing phases. Interphase occurred between two successive dividing or mitotic phases. In interphase, cell grows in size and prepares itself for next division. That's why interphase is called preparatory phase. In interphase, cell grows in size and prepare itself for cell division. Interphase is most active phase of cell cycle. In entire cell cycle, the most active phase is interphase. And one more important thing is the interphase lasts more than 95% of duration of cell cycle, which means in entire cell cycle, interphase itself requires 95% of time duration. A series of metabolic changes occurs during interphase in cells. These changes were not visible under microscope, so some scientists term interphase as resting phase. Interphase is the time during which cell is preparing for division by undergoing both cell growth and DNA replication in an orderly manner. Generally, the cell which is going to divide, that cell shows growth and DNA replication in an orderly manner. Howard and Pleck classified interphase of cell cycle is into three substages such as G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase. Howard and Pleck classified interphase into three substages: number 1 G1 phase, number 2 S phase, number 3 G2 phase. Very first one, G1 phase or pre-DNA synthesis phase or first gap phase. G1 phase corresponds to the intervals between mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. G1 phase occurred between mitotic phase and S phase or initiation of DNA replication phase. During G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active and it grows continuously. In this phase, cell shows high metabolism and showing growth continuously. During G1, most of the cell organelles increases in cell and cell is rapidly synthesizes different types of RNA and proteins. In G1 phase, the cell organelles in the cell increasing their size and also synthesizes different types of RNAs and proteins. Due to availability of protein, synthesis of new protoplasm takes place in cell and it starts growing in size. Cell shows maximum growth in G1 phase. S phase or DNA synthesis phase. Replication of nuclear DNA and synthesis of histone proteins takes place in S phase. Replication of cytoplasmic DNA may occur in any stage of cell cycle. During this time, the amount of DNA per cell doubles. If the initial amount of DNA is denoted as 2C, then it increases to 4C. However, there is no increase in the chromosomal number. S phase, which is also called synthesis phase or DNA synthesis phase. In this phase, replication of nuclear DNA will occur. Replication of cytoplasmic DNA may occur in any stage of cell cycle other than this. During this phase, the amount of DNA per cell will double, which means if in case initially the amount of DNA in the cell denoted as 2C means after synthesis phase it increases to 4C. But there is no increase in chromosomal number. If the cell had diploid or 2n number of chromosomes of G1, even after synthesis phase also the number of chromosome remains the same, which means 2n. Generally, the ploidy of chromosome is same, which means before synthesis phase, if the cell condition is diploid or 2n means after S phase also the chromosome number is 2n or diploid. but amount of DNA only doubles. S phase marks the phase of DNA replication and chromosome duplication. DNA content in a chromosome become double. In animal cells, during the S phase, DNA replication begins in the nucleus and the centriole duplicates in cytoplasm. Generally, in animal cells, during S phase, not only DNA replication, centrioles also duplicates into two and they can move opposite poles in cytoplasm. G2 phase or second gap phase or post DNA synthesis phase or pre-mitosis phase. G2 phase is also called second gap phase or post DNA synthesis phase or pre-mitosis phase. Actual preparation or final preparation of M phase occurs during this phase. Special materials required for M phase are synthesized in G2 phase. Example, tubulin protein, which is required for the formation of spindle fibers during cell division. Cell growth also continues in G2 phase. The actual preparation, the final preparation of dividing phase or cell division or M phase occurs during G2 phase. Special materials required for M phase, all those are synthesized in G2 phase only. Example, tubulin protein, which helps in the formation of spindle fibers, which are major requirements of cell division. And cell also grows continuously in G2 phase. G0 phase. Some cells in the adult animals do not appear to exhibit cell division. For example, heart cells. And many other cells also not divide, they can divide occasionally as needed to replace cells that have been lost because of injury or cell death. These cells that do not divide further, they exit from G1 phase to enter an inactive stage called quiescent stage or G0 of the cell cycle. Cells in this stage remains metabolically active but no longer proliferation, no longer cell division unless called on to do so depending on the requirement of the organism. G0 phase, which is also called quiescent phase. Generally, some cells of adult animals like heart cells do not appear to exhibit division, which means they cannot divide further. But some of the cells in animals, they can divide occasionally, not every time. Whenever injury or damage will occur, that time only they can divide the cell and heal that injury. These type of cells do not divide further, exit G1 phase and enters into inactive stage called quiescent stage or G0 of the cell cycle. Cells in G0 stage remain metabolically active but no longer proliferation, which means they cannot show further cell division unless called on to do so depending on the requirement of organism. Checkpoints of cell cycle. Cell cycle is running by a group of special proteins, cyclins and CDKs, MPF. The scientists Nurse, T. Hunt and Hartwell studied these checkpoints in Saccharomyces in the year 2001. Cell cycle is running by a group of special proteins called cyclins and CDKs, cyclin dependent kinases. The activity of enzymes known as cyclin dependent kinases or CDKs, which regulates the cell cycle. Kinase is an enzyme that removes a phosphate group from ATP and add to another protein. The kinases involved in the cell cycle are called CDKs because they are activated when they combine with key protein called cyclin. Checkpoints. Cell cycle is running a group of special proteins, particularly the activity of enzymes like CDKs, cyclin dependent kinases. They regulates the cell cycle of a cell in the organisms. These CDKs are activated by a key protein or a special protein called cyclin. At some checkpoints, a kinase enzyme combines with cyclin and this moves the cell cycle forwardly. G2M transition is triggered by maturation of promoting factor MPF formed by M cyclin plus CDK2. G2M transition is triggered by maturation promoting factor which is called MPF formed by M cyclin and CDK2. Let's check the diagrammatic representation of cell cycle. When cell enters into G1 phase, in this phase metabolically cell is active and cell grows maximum in size. Then it enters into synthesis phase. There DNA replication was occurred. After that it enters into G2 phase. In G2 phase they synthesize important proteins which are required for M phase, and here also cell grows rapidly. Then cell enters into M phase. At some special occasions, particularly some adult matured cells like heart cells and some cells which are dividing occasionally, they enters into G0 or quiescent phase, which is metabolically active but division wise inactive cells. Up to here the interphase and interphase substages are completed. In next video I will explain you about M phase or mitotic phase or cell dividing phase. Thank you.